Why should I clean debris after a windstorm? Cleaning debris quickly helps prevent injuries, property damage, blocked drainage, pests, and additional problems caused by hidden hazards. After a windstorm, branches, roof pieces, glass, and loose objects may be scattered across your yard and around your home. Some debris can be heavy, sharp, wet, or unstable, so never assume it is safe to move right away. First, stay away from downed power lines and anything touching them, because electricity can travel through branches, fences, and puddles. Take pictures before cleaning if you may need to make an insurance claim, and check whether your local government has special pickup rules. Wear thick gloves, sturdy shoes, eye protection, and long sleeves, and use tools instead of your hands whenever possible. Clearing leaves and branches from gutters, drains, and window wells helps water move away from the house instead of causing leaks or flooding. A little-known danger is that storm debris can hide nails, broken glass, snakes, insects, or damaged electrical equipment. Separate plant material, recyclable items, and construction waste, then place everything where collection workers can safely reach it. One common mistake is cutting or moving a large fallen tree without knowing where it is under pressure, so leave large trees and tangled limbs to a trained tree professional. Another mistake is burning storm debris, which can spread fire, release harmful smoke, or violate local rules, so check disposal instructions before doing anything with it. People also sometimes cover damaged areas before taking photos, which can make insurance documentation harder, so record the damage and keep receipts for cleanup costs when possible. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.